is the bucket, the iconic bucket from KFC. We had gotten a bucket of chicken earlier, so that's why the bucket is there. And here's the bag from, well, it is in a bag from A&W because they are connected. The A&W and KFC sell out of the same store here in our area, so you can get everything from both. And here is the bag that the sandwich is in, and as I'm opening that, I'm thinking of, well, the differences in sandwiches between KFC, Popeyes, and Chick-fil-A. And looks like it is in a foil lined bag. And looks from first thoughts, it's a bun that has no seeds on it, and mayonnaise on the top and mayonnaise on the bottom with 4 pickles. And here's someone, that's someone who wants his chicken sandwich. Hi everyone, we are going to try our sandwiches from Kentucky Fried Chicken. I showed you what it looked like up close. Looks like they give 4 pickles on each one, and they give, I guess it's maybe some mayonnaise. See that? That's what mine looks like. Let's see. We've had Popeyes, and we've had what's the other joint twister?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Yeah, we've had Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. I, for one, like Popeyes best. This one?
Yeah, I like Popeyes best too.
Yeah, this one's okay. Nothing to write home about. I'd rather have KFC is famous for their bone-in chicken, and that's what tastes best there. Do you agree?
I think, yeah, I agree. I think Popeyes would be first. Chick-fil-A would be second. And
Kentucky Fried
KFC
Chicken
would be
takes
third.
yeah. Well, they tried getting in on the chicken sandwich train, but I don't think that KFC really did as good as Popeyes did on that one. Popeyes was kind of first on that one. No, I know. Well, Chick-fil-A always have their sandwiches, but Popeyes is the one who I think made the one, like how KFC, it's thicker, a thicker chicken. I, for one, you probably don't want it though, but I want to see here in the U.S. Kentucky Fried Chicken have their chicken sandwiches that are vegan. I think that'd be interesting to try, because you can't always have chicken. You need to, chicken's not the greatest for you to have all the time, and it'd be nice to have a vegan option. I asked, boy, it was probably a few months ago, maybe even a year ago, KFC, I got on their website and I asked them, the US KFC website, when they were going to have the vegan option, because I've seen some vlogs of KFC in the UK, and they have the vegan chicken sandwich. We don't have them here. We don't have a lot of vegan options in the US. They just haven't gotten on that train yet.
Yeah,
I'd like to try the vegan options.
that'd be all you.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't like it, but I would. Gosh, there's supposed to be well, there is 4 pickles on here. I haven't even hit a pickle yet.
What we can do, we can get a bunch of grass out there and put it in a sandwich, and then I could just tell you it's chicken. There's your vegan right there.
They're getting better at the vegan stuff, the taste of them. So, gosh, I've seen people, and I don't know if it's because they're more, in the UK, they've had it more than we have. I think with their restaurants and stuff, that they actually like the KFC chicken sandwich. And then they have options on their pizzas there in the UK. We have vegan options here, of course, because just put all vegetables on your pizza and then it's vegan. But I meant more vegan options, like you have the meats that are vegan meats, and they put those on their pizzas. We'll
No,
get
thank
there.
you. No, thank you.
I want to try them. Yeah. Did you hear that grunt from him? He grunts when he really doesn't like something. He really doesn't like the vegan option.
I'll just get some grass, like I said, feed it to you, call it chicken, be done and over with.
He wants to feed me grass now.
You want to eat vegan? I'll fix that for you.
We go all out and not even have a bun on it. Put lettuce, a lettuce wrap on with vegan chicken.
Well, you remember some years back they wrapped these with bacon.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I don't
They
remember
didn't last
that.
very long. I
Oh.
forget what the name of it was.
Hmm.
It didn't last long, obviously, but very, very unhealthy. You think this is unhealthy? That would be even worse.
They actually had a chicken sandwich at KFC.
Yeah, we wrapped in bacon.
Was it as big as this size of chicken?
I believe so.
Then why did Popeyes really get on the chicken sandwich and you didn't even think of KFC for it?
I guess a little late to the show. I don't know.
Oh, I do remember when I was younger that KFC had a little piece of chicken that they would be probably about so big that they put on a little tiny bun. Remember that?
Yeah, don't they call those snackers?
Yeah. Do they still have those at KFC, I wonder?
Yeah, I think so.
But they've had those forever. I used to get those.
You know, like I said, Popeye's a little late to the show.
Well, Popeyes is, but they become number one on the people liking them, the taste of them.
Well, they were sold out there for a little bit.
Yeah. You could go to KFC and find your option. I forgot my drink. I leave it over there. Thank you. I need a drink. Well, I guess the verdict is in. KFC's chicken sandwiches are okay. So we can give it an okay. What about, let's rate it on a scale of 1 to 5. What's KFC chicken sandwich?
1 being the lowest, 3,
Yeah,
5
1
being the highest.
Yeah, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest.
Yeah. Probably 2.
Oh, you think that low, huh?
Well, if you want to throw Popeyes and
Well,
Chick-fil-A.
yeah, that's what I wanted to rate it against. I wanted to say if you rate KFC compared to
Maybe a
Popeyes
3.
and Chick-fil-A. So 3. I was gonna say that I was gonna be a 3. You said 2, but yeah, I agree, a 3. And Chick-fil-A would be a 4. Right, is out for you. And then Popeyes 5. Popeyes is just has the best chicken sandwich. Alright, well, we'll continue to eat. And anything to add? Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Love you. Bye.